Did you know that using our template file to upload multiple payments to Papaya Global can help you avoid payment errors and save hours each month? With Payments OS, beneficiary bank details are securely. That means no more manual re-entry of bank details every time you process payments. Just upload a file with the payment details, like amount, date, and beneficiary ID, and Payments OS will automatically match them with the saved bank details and process the payment. Start by selecting the pay group you want to use for the payments. Click the arrow in the top right corner and select Upload Multiple Payments. Then, download the template and open it. First, delete any existing content in the template. Now you can copy the relevant data from your payment file. Ensure that the beneficiary ID from your payment files matches the one you added when creating the beneficiary in the payments platform. This will allow us to match the payments. Next, paste the amount. Enter the payment type and specify the amount type to determine whether the date represents the land date or send date. Then, set the payment date. Once all details are completed, save the file and upload it back into the payments platform. Click Complete Upload to finalize the payments. After a successful upload, you will see the payments in the system. Thank you for watching.